Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of small apartment interior design. Living in a compact space does not mean sacrificing style or functionality. In fact, it's an opportunity to get creative and make the most out of every square inch. Whether you are a city dweller or simply looking for ways to optimize your living space, we have got you covered. Number one is space planning and layout. The first step in designing a small apartment is optimizing the layout. We will show you how to arrange furniture and functional zones to create a sense of openness, from multifunctional furniture pieces to clever room dividers. We will explore various techniques to make your apartment feel more spacious. Number two is color palette and lighting. Choosing the right color palette can drastically affect the perception of space. We'll discuss how light, neutral tones can make your apartment appear larger and brighter. Additionally, we will explore innovative lighting solutions, including task lighting, ambient lighting, and even creative wall mounted fixtures to enhance the overall atmosphere. Number three is vertical storage solutions. When floor space is limited, it's time to think vertically. We'll share ingenious ways to utilize wall space for storage, including vertical shelves, hanging organizers, and wall mounted storage systems. I hope this video will be very helpful for you, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to share your own small space design tips in the comments below. And if you like this video, then share it to your relatives and suggest me what's your best design in this collection. I will meet you in next video. Thanks for watching the complete video. Again, subscribe latest Decor Ideas channel. Thank you.